accidentally turned off my camera. Let's try doing all this one-handed. Alright. Credit card details. Go. I put it in the wrong way, I think. Yeah, car was not red.
39249.
That's insane, dude.
It's almost $2, man.
What do you mean car not red? No, took it out. Stop. Yes, no, it's not. Your chip cannot be red. Please try again. Transaction declined. Oh, brother. All right, let's try this again. Oh.
Put it the wrong way.
No, I'm not. I put it the wrong way the other way. On my other town. Howdy. Leave card inserted. Remove card for processing. No, it's not a debit card. My chip cannot be red.
You didn't use your debit card.
Alright. We're gonna try again. There's a card on my mouth right now. Oh. Alright, hopefully this works. Let's go. Did it work? Oh my god. The card's out, leave me alone. No. Alright, finally. Oh god, 10 minutes to get some gas. Alright. Filling up. I'm gonna fill up to the max. Alright, alright. Dude, your paint look kind of clean for me. Oh, he's on a call.
I'll just fill it up right now. We're gonna decide where to go, so
Alright, I'm back. Now look at all that rust.
it's not rust.
It is.
Let me tell you what it is.
Dude, look at all that.
It's actually a paintwork from the original order.
Oh, really?
The original owner, he wanted to do something cooler with the only like one side of the fender for some reason. I'm not really sure why he did this, but it looks cool in my opinion. I like it. It's like a
it looks like
you ever heard of popcorn
like
ceiling?
herpes.
You ever heard of popcorn ceiling?
Yeah, no one has popcorn ceilings anymore.
That's what it is, though. It's
Yeah, it was
popcorn
filled
fender.
with asbestos.
Popcorn fender.
Yeah, popcorn fender
Yeah.
filled with asbestos.
Popcorn fender, bro.
I did these brakes, but look how clean these wheels are. Wait, let me show you the other side. Look how clean these things are, dude. Oh my god, bro. I got Noah right. He got to pay me next time.
Yeah, chill. It's looking still dirty, guys.
Yeah, because you did it.
Oh, fuck, it is looking mad dirty on this side.
Yeah, all right, let's get in here. Okay. Why am I doing this one-handed, bro? What should I do? Oh, how should I do? Oh, wait, I can switch hands. I forgot. There we go. That's interesting. All right, bet. Let's go. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Put my belt on.
Really, nigga?
Ooh, you're not supposed to hear that. All right, let's go. It's really hard to, I don't know how these people be recording themselves and driving at the same time. It's kind of hard. This camera's like super zoomed in too, so I can't get a good angle. Go this way. I don't even know if this angle's good. I can't see it. Alright. I haven't seen one of those cars since California. Look at this guy. Don't even know how to park. What is he doing? License plate. Sugoi.
Look at that. What are you looking at?
I'm recording. Oh my god, my hand's so shaky. Whoa, why is it so clear? Holy crap, 700 times zoom? It's on Noah, by the way.
It's okay, we take our time.
Go back to what?
Oh, go back to dance.
Damn, how much can you zoom in? What the f?
But it's digital. It's digital.
Oh. Can't even see your face.
It's 10 times optical and then 700 times digital. So it goes 10 times optical and then after 10.
Alright, I guess. Alright, how do you turn it off?
Oh my god. Wait, Noah. Noah. We can recreate Cloverfield right now.
Right.
Wait,
oh my god. Cloverfield is a, what is it? Found footage?
Yeah,
Found footage POV alien movie.
There's someone behind us.
Doom.
Oh wait, no, look, you gotta redo it. Hold on.
Yeah.
Right?
Alright, now we go.
Wait, no. Look, I say, oh my god, there's someone behind us, right? And then you pan to Noah, and he turns around, and then I'll go back.
Because I have to wait, and then I have to cut back like that.
Guys, I think there's someone behind us. Install that wall.
What do you mean?
The wall.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, look. Oh, there's a carving that happens here.
Here?
Called carbon cones.
Really?
Where's that? Annandale, really? Yeah. Oh, look at that 8.6. Nice color. I'm down shit. Can we low-key do one more lap? I'm so full. I don't know why. Are you guys okay with that?
That's fine. I have nothing to do.
Hello kids, this is your uncle.
So, quick lesson. This doesn't actually say Supreme on it, it says Supan. Because there's no literal translation to Supreme there. Hey, watch it behind you. They made this graphic originally in 1997 on USA made blanks. Now they're made in Honduras for some reason, and they fit like horribly. Yeah.
Stop getting so close.
Why are all convertible Mustang owners gay?
I don't know.
I think it's like a requirement to purchase the car. It's like a prerequisite. That's what This is public.
Why is your one light on?
Huh?
Why is your one light on?
Yeah.
You're right, why is there one light? Did I burn the light? No way.
Uh-oh, guys.
I know what I gotta find out.
Are they all on?
Yeah.
All of them?
No, this one's not on. You actually burned it?
It probably burnt out.
Uh-oh, guys. Houston, we have a problem.
Let me unplug it, I'll plug it back in. Oh, maybe I burnt it when I did that.
What are we doing, guys?
Oh, it's burnt, bro. It's cooked.
You think so?
I think so.
Why?
I don't know. Did the connection get loose here? No, I don't think so.
Wait, was this a? Oh wait, no, it was.
No, that's it. All right, it's okay. Who cares? That means less problem for me. That means I don't need all of them to strobe at once. That's kind of gay though. Why'd that happen? It's gonna turn on eventually again. And then we get the wind blowing in our and we're just chatting.
Dude, holy, this is so bad at low light.
You might have to get lower for us, right? Or no?
What do you mean?
Hey, give me the Mountain Dew. Give me the Mountain Dew.
Oh wait, you want the wind in the back?
Wind, the grass, everything. Look, scoot down. We need more grass. Scoot down.
Scoot down, we need more grass.
Alright, there you go. Let's go. Let's act like we're talking to bro. Hey, bro, you know, gas prices are that crazy.
Stars, man.
You can't really see the grass, guy. I mean, your hair is moving though.
Alright, that's okay.
Just for the fun.
Couldn't zoom me. Bro, what the heck wrong with you?
Sorry, bro.
Bro, he's gonna have to go through hours of footage.
I'm gonna look around. Oh, shit, it's not good.
Come right here. I'll take one on this side. You want to do it together? Or separate?
Gee, that's not good.
It's up to you.
Noah, what are you doing? Noah, what are you doing? I'll go around. Noah, stop.
Roblox.
Oh, this guy did a donut here.
This is not a donut.
Huh?
That wasn't a donut.
It's like a half.
I'll face your part that way.
Nice one, idiot.
Hello? Yes, I am at Tito Fairfax.
Well,
Come in front of me. Like, face backwards to where I am.
Look, kids. This is your parents doing stupid stuff.
what's up?
I'm recording for the kids right now. For our future kids.
Our future kids?
Everyone's future
Oh.
kids. No, hey, don't be weird. This is for our kids to see.
Alright, all I'm gonna say is...
What are you gonna say?
Nah, I was gonna say something crazy.
Yeah, don't say nothing crazy. This is for our kids.
Hope you're not... And if you are,
What? If they are what?
just leave it like that. Bog walk.
Straight up. Right. Alright, you're good.
That's up for you to decide right now.
Low key, reverse, right. Like
Go.
bring your car to my turn your wheel right. No, other way, sorry.
What do you
Left and reverse.
What do you have to say for the kids? This is for the future kids of ours. I'm recording.
I don't
so
think two men can have kids.
No, bro. I said, yo, don't say nothing weird, dude.
Oh, my bad. More? Alright, you're good. Alright, hold on. Stay straight and real.
He's thinking like good luck, Charlie.
Exactly. That's what I'm doing. That's exactly what I'm doing. Wait. Wait, that looks hard.
I couldn't even figure out what to say myself. It's being retarded.
What just happened, Noah? What just happened?
Honestly, guys, I don't even know. They said I have ice. They said, look, it's a SC300.
She said.
That's all I needed to hear.
She said, I think your friend is cute to Abdul, and they're pointing at Noah.